We had heard that Ector County was a leader in thinking about AI and innovation. We talked to them more about their work in high-impact tutoring, and this was a fit.
Everyone has been hearing so many different kinds of use cases of AI. The specific use case that we've been really interested in is how can we empower the human tutor or the human teacher to be just more effective in their instruction when they're tutoring or teaching the student live. And what does that student experience look like? And then from our side of research, how can we then help the tutor be able to tutor these students better?
What we did is we had about 800 tutors that were engaged in the study with 1,700 of our Ector County students. Half of the tutors had access to the AI Copilot and half of the tutors did not.
What our AI system does is that it actually provides some suggestions for the tutor to actually use in their live tutoring so that they're not stumbling and fumbling in the moment of actually teaching. And so it's been a really exciting way to leverage AI in the way of enhancing the human touch of the novice tutor or the novice teacher as they're teaching.
One further analysis that we did was, okay, let's see what happened if
what we found was that our study did, so being able to give immediate AI feedback to these tutors, it did improve their instruction overall, so their students were actually being able to master math topics more effectively at the end of the study. But in particular, when we broke it down by different categories of tutors from, let's say, the less experienced ones to the more experienced ones, we found it was the less experienced tutors, so the more novice ones, who were benefiting the most from this kind of feedback. So it was leveling the playing field for the less experienced tutors to meet similar performances as their more experienced ones. And a really great part of that finding is that now students are never really disadvantaged regardless of who they're working with.
Which meaning best fits the way Marcus used in paragraph 2?
The benefits of using this are that the kids have a different opportunity to learn in a different environment with different teachers. I think sometimes a different instructor is able to teach content in a different way, so I do like the variety of instructors the students are able to have because they might receive content better that way.
Yeah, we're just testing.
AI is a really good tool. It's not going to do it for us, but it's a really good tool for educators to use to be able to sharpen their skills and affect learning more quickly, and really use as a tool and not take over anything, but help us get better at what we're already doing.
The research that we engaged in really is going to have an impact nationwide for all school districts, teachers, and students across the nation and probably the world, because the Tutor Copilot is now available as an open source for others to utilize.